Hi, coming to the first main problems, find the distance between the following pairs of points. First pair is 2, 3 and 4, 1. So let us name the points. First point, let me take that as P. The coordinates of the point P are 2, 3 and coordinates of the point Q. Let me name the point as Q and coordinates of the point are 4, 1. So 4 is x coordinate and 1 is y coordinate. Here 2 is x coordinate and 3 is y coordinate. So let us take 2 as x1, y1 and 4 as x2 and y2. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points. So that is PQ equal to, so we know the distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us substitute the values. So PQ equal to square root of x2 value is 4 minus x1 it is 2 whole square plus y2 value is 1 minus y1 value is 3 whole square. So PQ equal to, let us simplify, 4 minus 2 it is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 it is minus 2 square. So PQ equal to root of 2 square it is 4 plus minus 2 square, minus 2 into minus 2 you will get plus 4. So PQ equal to root of 4 plus 4 it is root of 8 units. Further you can simplify. So PQ equal to root 8 you can write it as 4 into 2. So PQ value is root 4 into root 2. So PQ value is root 4 value is 2 to root 2 units. Coming to the second problem, we have to find the distance between these 2 pair of points. So let us name the points as P minus 5, 7 and one more point, let me take that as Q minus 1, 3. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points. PQ equal to square root of, first write the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a formula to find the distance between any 2 given points. Let us substitute the values. So let me name this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So PQ equal to square root of x2 value is minus 1 minus x1 value is minus 5. So write in a bracket whole square plus y2 value is 3 minus y1 value is 7 whole square. So PQ value is square root of minus 1 plus minus of minus it is plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 it is minus 4 whole square. So PQ value is square root of minus 1 plus 5 it is plus 4 whole square is 16 plus minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4 it is plus 16. So PQ value is 16 plus 16 root of 32 units. So you can simplify, children. So PQ value you can write it as 32, you can write it as 16 into 2. So PQ value is root 16 value is 4 root 2 units. Coming to the third problem, the given pair of points are A, B and minus A minus B. Let me name the points as P, A, B and one more point minus A minus B. x1, y1. X coordinate is A and y coordinate is B. Now here x coordinate or abscissa, it is minus A. Let me name that as x2, and this is y coordinate y2. Now let us find the distance between these two points. PQ equal to square root of, write the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us substitute the values. So PQ equal to x2 value is minus A minus x1 value is A whole square plus y2 value is minus B minus y1 value is B whole square. So PQ equal to minus A minus 2A whole square plus minus B minus 2B whole square. So PQ equal to square root of minus 2A whole square is plus 4A square plus minus 2B square, minus 2B into minus 2B, it is plus 4B square. If I take common outside, 4 is common, square root of 4, A square plus B square. PQ equal to root 4 into remaining part, it is root of A square plus B square. So PQ equal to root 4 value is 2 into square root of A square plus B square units. This is the distance between these two given points A comma B and minus A minus B. This is all about today's session. In my next video, let us solve remaining exercise problems. Thank you.